Tired of turkey for Thanksgiving dinner? Let's skip the bird this year and give the spotlight to something bold, a perfectly cooked steak. Juicy, buttery, and full of flavor, this reverse-seared ribeye will make everyone at the table forget about turkey. Start with a thick-cut ribeye. I like the ones from Costco, with plenty of marbling. Then drizzle a bit of oil and spread it evenly. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't rush. This simple step is what transforms the surface into that golden, flavorful crust later. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the steak on a wire rack over a baking sheet and let the oven do its slow magic. Cook low and steady for 35 to 40 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches around 118 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. That gentle heat keeps every bite juicy and tender. Add a bit of oil. Avocado or canola works great. Heat a cast iron pan over medium-high until it just begins to smoke. And lay in your steak. You'll hear that perfect sizzle. Sear the first side for about 1 minute, pressing gently with tongs occasionally to ensure even contact. The high heat will start building a beautiful crust. Flip the steak and sear the other side for another minute. At this point, both sides should have a nice initial sear, golden and aromatic, ready for the next step. Add a couple tablespoons of butter, a few garlic cloves, and some thyme and rosemary. As the butter melts, tilt the pan and baste. Spoon that sizzling butter over the steak again and again. The aroma of garlic and herbs fills your kitchen. That's your Thanksgiving magic right there. After about 30 seconds of basting, remove the steak and let it rest for 10 minutes. That's how you lock in all those rich, flavorful juices. Now for the best part, slicing. Cut into the steak and you'll see that perfect pink center surrounded by a golden crust. To serve it for your Thanksgiving feast, arrange the slices on a warm wooden cutting board and garnish with rosemary for that festive touch. Your holidays just found a new tradition. Tender, buttery, and unforgettable. So this year, skip the ordinary turkey and serve the steak that truly steals the Thanksgiving show. Your guests will thank you.